Are you looking?
Whether you're getting into table tennis for fun, fitness, or friendly competition, choosing the right paddle can make a huge difference. As more people take up ping pong at home and in clubs, the demand for beginner-friendly paddles has grown rapidly. This guide helps you choose the best ping pong paddles for beginners by evaluating key features like grip comfort, control, spin, durability.
List number: Pro Spin Pickleball Paddles, USAPA approved graphite carbon friction surface paddle, set of 2. While originally designed for pickleball, the Pro Spin pickleball paddles offer a solid feel and are ideal for players transitioning into ping pong due to their excellent control and lightweight design. The graphite carbon surface provides impressive spin and shot accuracy, which can help beginners develop better technique. This set includes 2 paddles and indoor balls, making it a great value for families or doubles practice. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, and the durable surface reduces vibration, great for longer sessions. Although not a traditional ping pong paddle, its balance and control offer beginners a comfortable entry point into paddle sports.
List number:
Gary Pickleball Paddle Set of 4, Carbon Fiber Lightweight Rackets. The Gary Pickleball Paddle Set includes 4 USAPA-approved rackets crafted from carbon fiber, offering a surprisingly light and responsive feel. Beginners will appreciate the larger sweet spot and solid control over their shots. The ergonomic handle and textured surface provide an excellent grip, reducing mishits and fatigue during extended play. While it's designed for pickleball, its paddle shape and balance can help ping pong beginners develop essential hand-eye coordination and wrist movement. A great budget set for families or small groups getting into racket sports.
List number: JP Winlook Ping Pong Paddle Set, Portable Table Tennis Set with Case.
The JP Winlook Table Tennis Set is tailor-made for beginner ping pong players, featuring high-quality 5-ply wood paddles with responsive rubber. These rackets offer excellent spin, control, and feel, ideal for learning different strokes.
The set comes with 2 paddles, balls, and a travel case, making it perfect for players on the go or home games.
The paddles are ITTF approved and designed with balanced weight, helping new players maintain consistency in their shots.
It's an excellent all-around choice for beginners who want the authentic table tennis experience.
List number 4, Pickleball Paddles, Set of 2, 2025, USAPA, approved fiberglass, lightweight rackets. With a lightweight fiberglass surface and polymer honeycomb core, this 2025 pickleball paddle set offers a great feel and control, qualities that beginner ping pong players can benefit from. Although it's designed for pickleball, its forgiving paddle face and easy grip make it a solid transitional tool for those exploring racket sports.
The design helps beginners understand shot placement and develop a confident swing.
This set includes 2 paddles and 4 balls, offering solid value for casual play and early-stage skill building.
List number 5,
Franklin Sports Ping Pong Paddle Set, 2-player and 4-player kits. The Franklin Sports Table Tennis Set is a go-to choice for casual ping pong beginners. Available in 2-player or 4-player configurations, it includes paddles and balls, everything needed for a spontaneous game. The paddles feature a pipsin rubber surface that provides decent spin and control, while the wooden handles are comfortable for all hand sizes. While not competition grade, this set is excellent for home or school use. It's a trusted brand with beginner-friendly design, durability, and affordability in mind.